This tomato corer is a kitchen tool designed to quickly and efficiently remove the core, stem and seeds from a tomato. A simple twist removes the core, leaving the rest of the tomato intact. This mandolin slicer is a kitchen tool designed to quickly and efficiently slice fruits and vegetables into uniform pieces. It typically consists of a flat surface with a sharp blade attached. The food item is placed on the surface and pushed back and forth across the blade, producing even slices. This fibreware knife sharpener is a compact and efficient tool designed to restore the sharpness of your kitchen knives. Made from durable fiberware material, it offers a convenient and affordable way to maintain your cutlery. Easy to use, simply draw the knife blade across the sharpener's surface at the correct angle to achieve a sharp edge. The mango slicer is a specialized kitchen tool designed to make slicing and preparing mangoes quick and easy. Its sharp, curved blade cuts the mango flesh efficiently. Gently press the slicer down, cutting the mango into even slices. Bread maker is a home appliance that automatically makes bread from scratch. It's essentially a small oven with a built-in mixing and kneading mechanism. You measure out the ingredients, flour, yeast, water, etc., and add them to the bread pan in the correct order. The bread maker has various settings for different types of bread, such as white, whole grain, or sweet. You select the desired cycle. A silicone herb container is a small, portable storage container designed specifically for storing herbs, spices, or other small, dry goods. These containers are typically made from food-grade silicone, a material known for its flexibility, durability, and non-stick properties. A versatile kitchen tool is folding steamer basket. It is a convenient and space-saving kitchen utensil designed for steaming various foods. Its perforated design allows steam to circulate evenly, cooking food quickly and preserving its nutrients. Suitable for steaming a wide range of foods, including vegetables, seafood, dumplings, and meats. This smart kitchen mill is versatile and efficient appliance that combines the functionality of a traditional spice grinder, coffee grinder, and sometimes a nut processor. Adjustable settings allow you to control the coarseness or fineness of your grind, perfect for various culinary needs. Smart kitchen mills can handle a variety of tasks, from grinding spices and coffee beans to processing nuts and seeds. This wall-mounted dish rack is a space-saving kitchen appliance that attaches to your wall above the sink. It provides a convenient and efficient way to dry and store dishes, cutlery, and other kitchenware. Mounts to the wall, freeing up valuable countertop space. Features a draining tray to collect excess water, keeping your kitchen clean and dry. Improved kitchen organization helps keep your kitchen neat and tidy. Enhanced hygiene prevents water from pooling on countertops, reducing the risk of mold or bacteria growth. Steel core peeler is an essential kitchen tool designed for efficiently peeling various fruits and vegetables. They typically feature a sturdy steel blade, often encased in a comfortable handle. The sharp blade allows for clean, efficient peeling without leaving excess material behind. This 2-in-1 whisk is a clever kitchen utensil that combines two distinct whisk types into a single tool. This innovative design offers convenience and efficiency for various cooking tasks. Typically, this 2-in-1 whisk features a balloon whisk and a flat whisk, each with its specific purpose. Smart Pot Stirrer is a handy kitchen gadget designed to automate the process of stirring food in pots and pans. These devices typically have adjustable arms that can be positioned to fit various pot sizes. They are powered by batteries or electricity and often have multiple speed settings to control the intensity of stirring.